Hello. I'm looking out my apartment window. They were supposed to, I didn't think that they would have any. This is, the first snowfall of 2012. We didn't have any in 2011, so, the ski resort here in Idaho, Boise, Idaho, hasn't opened up all year long. Usually it's open by Thanksgiving, but this year it hasn't even opened up. I'm not really going to go out today. You get out there and then you forget that it's snowy, or somebody behind you forgets it's snowy. They still come up there at the same speed that they usually go on the regular road. So they say it's going to be gone by this afternoon. Rain in the valley up there in Bogus Basin, the ski resort here in Idaho is supposed to be 2 or 3 foot, at least 1 foot. So they need it. This is the first time, and the latest it's ever opened. This is January 19, 2012. So anyways, with that, I guess we're out.